You think I gave Trump a pass for tanking the stock market? I made this video yesterday just breaking down what's going on with all the tariffs. And at the end, I said, I don't know what's going to happen. And you guys roasted me for that. You know this is going to be bad. You would have blown up Biden for this. Now look, up until this point, I would have told you, and have been, that if Trump is using tariffs as leverage, I'm good with that. But if he's using them just to drop tariffs on others, we're in trouble. And now I'm going to show you why I'm not sure anymore. And it's nothing Trump said. It's actually something Warren Buffett said. And he wrote this over 20 years ago. As far as Buffett, he plays the long game, he avoids hype, and he's brutally honest about market dynamics. And also, he's a Democrat, for whatever that's worth. He wrote this article in 2003 warning us of what happens when business, government, and Wall Street cozy up and lose sight of productivity. Markets become disconnected from real value, and how we shouldn't cheer every time the stock market goes up if the foundation is rotting. And this is the part that rattled me. In the short run, the stock market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine. What that means? That sentiment drives headlines, but eventually the numbers don't lie. If government spending, corporate profits, and GDP get out of whack, we're in trouble. And to me, that sounded like a polished version of what Trump's saying. Fake economy, propped up by bureaucracy, debt, and artificial inflated markets. That was actually kind of a good impression, no? And then Buffett goes on to warn about the trade deficit. He predicted that if we keep consuming more than we produce, we will eventually sell off American assets to support our lifestyles. He wasn't being political here. I think he was being practical. Now, I'm open for new information always. I think that's how we grow. So I'm not questioning this because of political figures. It's this guy, Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, warning us about this 20 years ago. That's what got me thinking.